This channel is dedicated to manual machining. I do have this Swiss-made manual milling machine. I do have that Chinese lathe, and I do have this drill press, which is Swedish. So it's quite international here in my workshop. Let's see how I can cope with these old machines without using the arrows, just using the old school measuring systems like micrometers, snap gauges, etc. While doing my projects. If you want to see more content like this, so please subscribe and you'll be notified whenever new content comes out. I am trying to put some content maybe every week, if possible. So, till next video, see you!